Welcome to its Tomorrow News. Atlantic storm Lee delivers high winds and rain in United States and Canada. Atlantic storm Lee made landfall at near hurricane strength Saturday, bringing destructive winds, rough surf and torrential rains to New England and Maritime Canada, but the officials withdrew some warnings for the region late Saturday night. The United States National Hurricane Center discontinued a tropical storm warning for the coast of Maine, while the Environment Canada ended its tropical storm warning in the New Brunswick, and one person was killed in Maine on Saturday when a tree limb fell on his vehicle. The post-tropical cyclone also cut power to tens of the thousands of the customers. The Hurricane Center reported late Saturday that the storm was about 105 miles west of Halifax, Nova Scotia, and about 80 miles east of Eastport, Maine. The top sustained wind speed had dropped to 60 miles per hour. Lee made landfall with the winds around 70 miles per hour Saturday afternoon in the Long Island, Nova Scotia, and later made a second landfall in the New Brunswick. Lee continued to be the large storm as it passes through the eastern Canada through the remainder of this weekend, Weather.com digital meteorologist said. Big surf crashed onshore in the parts of Rhode Island's Maine and New Brunswick and Nova Scotia, and drivers were advised to check road conditions before traveling. A massive tree smashed into a car as high winds hit the Rockland, Maine. No one was hurt in the incident. Rockland is on the coast between the Portland and the Bar Harbor. The combination of already saturated ground from the wet weather and the wind from the Lee was bringing down the trees around the area, the agency reported. Large trees also came down in Massachusetts and parts of Nova Scotia and New Brunswick. Massachusetts governor lifted the state of emergency Saturday afternoon that was in place for Lee, and also a separate one that had been issued after severe weather and flooding earlier in the week that damaged roads and bridges and brought down trees and power lines. Hundreds of the flights were cancelled or delayed at the airports that could be affected by the storm, according to the airline tracker FlightAware. That includes more than 250 flights to and from Boston Logan International Airport. Airlines such as Southwest, United, and Delta waived change fees at several airports for Saturday and Sunday, including Boston, Portland, and Bangor in the Maine, and Providence, Rhode Island. All state ferry services in the Maine was cancelled for Saturday. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.